Most guys think becoming more attractive takes months of hard work, expensive products, or perfect genetics, but that's not true. There are 5 simple changes you can make right now that will instantly upgrade how people see you. No crazy routines, no expensive transformations. And the scary part? Most guys are doing the exact opposite, and it's quietly making them less attractive every single day. Let's fix that. 1. Lower your voice tone. Most guys never think about this, but the way your voice sounds changes how people perceive you more than almost anything else. A high, rushed voice signals nervousness. A low, calm voice signals confidence and control. People naturally pay more attention to someone who speaks slowly and with control. You don't need a naturally deep voice. You just need to slow down, breathe properly, and stop rushing your words. Simple rule: speak less, speak slower, and pause before answering. That pause alone makes you sound 10 times more confident. 2. Dress better. Most guys think they need a lot of money to dress well, but that's not true. You don't need a big wardrobe. You just need the right pieces. Start with 2 things, 1 white shirt and 1 black shirt. Make sure they fit well and are good quality. These 2 go with almost everything: blue jeans, black pants, gray trousers, beige chinos. Just change the bottoms and your outfit looks different every time. Why this works? Because white and black are neutral. They always look clean and never clash. And when your clothes fit well, your entire appearance upgrades instantly. So before buying anything else, invest in 1 good white shirt and 1 good black shirt. 2 right pieces beat 20 wrong ones every time. 3. Fix your posture. This is the fastest and easiest change you can make. Same guy, same clothes, same body, but different posture can completely change how he looks. When you stand straight with your chest up and shoulders back, your body sends a clear signal: confidence. But when you slouch, you look tired, insecure, and less attractive. And people notice it instantly. Here's how to fix it. Imagine a string pulling your head upward. Keep your chest slightly forward, shoulders back but relaxed, and move with control. That's it. This one change alone can transform how people see you within seconds. 4. Fix your resting face. Most guys don't realize how they look when they're not talking. If your face looks tense, angry, or completely blank, people feel uncomfortable around you without even knowing why. Relax your jaw. Soften your eyes slightly. Keep a natural, calm expression. You don't need to fake a smile. Just remove the tension from your face. Stand in front of a mirror and practice. You'll be surprised how much your resting face was working against you. 5. Grooming. You can have a great body and good clothes, but if your face looks messy, it kills your attractiveness instantly. Your face is the first thing people notice. Simple grooming habits can change everything. Clean hairstyle, trimmed beard, clear skin. You don't need a new face, just a cleaner, sharper version of the one you already have. Before you go out, take 2 minutes, fix your hair, check your beard, clean your face. If your beard is patchy, shave it. If it's good, keep it sharp and clean. And most importantly, get a hairstyle that suits you. Even a small change can completely upgrade your look. That's it. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon.